how to browse deals in Burger King offer section. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to browse deals in the Burger King offer section so you can find the best discounts and promotions for your next meal. So you need to start by opening up your Chrome or any other website, I mean any other browser, and then go to the Burger King website. There you can see offers option at the bottom. Once you have selected the location, you'll be able to see all the offers of that location. You can just scroll through and then you can browse through the offers. You can just tap on it and you can also view the offer terms and just add the one that you like. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.